Hello, I'm going to show SSH on Linux access protected with an MFA prompt. StrongDM Zero Trust policies allow you to protect all of your Linux SSH servers with an MFA prompt without the complexity of SSH server modifications. In this case, I have a production Linux server in AWS that we need to protect with an MFA prompt. The benefits of protecting an SSH server by requiring an MFA prompt for privileged Linux users are many, and here are a few. Number one, enhanced security and compliance. MFA is one of the most effective methods of protecting critical resources, especially for privileged users whose accounts can become massive threats if they were compromised. Also, most compliance standards require MFA for critical and in-scope resources. Number two, rapid incident response. Prevent malicious attacks that target user accounts and system access. Protecting critical resources with MFA can prevent attackers from using stolen credentials and lateral movement in the network during a major incident. And number three, operational efficiency. StrongDM makes it very easy for an IAM administrator to implement MFA protection on those critical Linux servers with only a few lines of Cedar code, and provides a seamless experience for users without the burdensome administrative overhead or complex SSH server plugins. The prod SSH policy that I'm showing requires an MFA prompt for users connecting to production Linux servers on AWS. The environment that the server is in is determined by inspecting the resources, tags, and values, which are external contextual attributes in the policy. So let's go ahead and request access to the server via a Slack just-in-time access workflow. I'm going to type the name of the server that I know of, and this is a partial name. I'm going to choose the production SSH server. I'm going to enter a reason as access to the production VPC. I'm going to set the time of duration for 15 minutes. That should be enough time. Submitting the request. At this point, I'm also an administrator for the approval, so I'm going to hit approve. The resource now shows up in my StrongDM client. Let's SSH to the server on the command line. I'm now being prompted for an MFA on my secondary device. I'm going to go ahead and approve. The approval is done, and I am now on the Linux server in AWS. With StrongDM Zero Trust policies, enabling MFA across your entire environment is pain-free. To see more, schedule a demo with one of our technical experts today. Thank you.